I had a decision to make. I was about a month into my New Year's resolution to eat more healthy food, more organic food, more fruits and vegetables. And I quickly realized that it was at a direct conflict with my second goal, which was to pay down more of my student loan debt. Well, only being a month in, I didn't want to give up either New Year's resolution and call it a failure, so I had to find a way to make it work. So over the past 2 years, I've come up with several tips and tricks to save money while eating organic food, and I'm going to share 3 of them with you today. They are Trip, Skip, and Clip. So the first is Trip, and that is taking a trip to your local farmer's market. The farmer's market has produce that tends to be fresher than your grocery store because the food doesn't have to go as far. It's from local farms rather than the food in your grocery store, which is coming from another part of the state or even another part of the country. In addition, not always, but usually the food tends to be cheaper. First of all, again, since it's closer, you're not paying the gas and the trucker to travel all of that way to the farmer's market, and you're eliminating the middleman. The second way to save money is skip, and that is to know when to skip organic and when to buy organic. So I know this is hard to read. I put a couple copies in the back if anyone's interested in taking it with you, or you can go to the Environmental Working Guides website, and they made a list of what they call the Dirty Dozen. And the Dirty Dozen is the 12 fruits and vegetables that have the highest pesticide residue. These are fruits such as strawberries, apples, peaches. In general, produce that has thin skin tends to absorb more pesticides. On the other side is the Clean 15, and that is the 15 fruits and vegetables that have the lowest pesticide residues. Onions, pineapples. So again, in general, produce that has thicker skin, especially if you're not eating the skin, will have less pesticide residues. So that way you can buy organic on the Dirty Dozen and then save your money when it comes to the Clean 15. Same thing when it comes to the meat department. I bought the free-range chicken and the grass-fed beef, which I have to admit does taste delicious, and I think everyone should do it once. But it's probably about twice the cost of your conventional meat. So the way you can skip in that area is almost sort of to cheat. There's a middle ground, and you want to look for meat that says no antibiotics, no growth hormone. So that way you know that it hasn't been given any artificial growth hormones to go from an egg to a full fryer in 60 days. But at the same time, maybe it didn't have quite as nice a life as the other chicken, but it's a little bit cheaper for your everyday use. And the third way to save money is Clip, and that is using coupons and combining them with store sales. Because obviously we're not only going to buy produce, we're not only going to buy meat, so for the rest of the store, we're going to combine and use coupons. So if you shop at Whole Foods, this is the whole deal. They put this out about every other month and has recipes and information in here. But the good stuff is in the middle, and these are coupons. These coupons are only good at Whole Foods, so it only works if you like to shop there. But it has coupons for all kinds of products that they use and that they sell at the store. And what I usually do is every time I go to the store, I pick up one of these. So I have about 4 or 5 at home at all times. So when something does go on sale, I grab all 4 or 5 of the coupons and I can stock up on the product until it goes on sale again. You can also write the company themselves. For instance, I wrote Stonyfield Yogurt. Write them a note, tell them that you're interested in trying to eat more organic food, more healthy food. Could they send you some coupons? And they've sent me over a dozen coupons. You can also go to their website. So just this week, for myself, for my own shopping, but also for the talk, I printed off 2 coupons. This one is on an Earthbound Farm organic salad mix. And this one is $1 off any Horizon product. And if you don't know, Horizon makes butter and milk. And so you just go to their website and print them off as well and take them with you to the store. And I've never actually done it, but because it's the word of the day, You can also go on Twitter, and I've been told, I don't tweet or do any of that, but you can follow your favorite brands, and then they'll alert you whenever they have a new coupon or their products are on sale somewhere. So to review all of these, we've got take a trip to your farmer's market, skip organic where it's not as important, and then spend your money where it is important on the Dirty Dozen. And third, clip coupons and combine them with sales to get a better deal. So hopefully you can incorporate one or more of these tips to help you save money and improve your health without ruining your wallet. Thank you.